has Stanley back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, I'd Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now head around Maggots and Beckett's. Quattararo, he's wincing a bit. Suzuki, happy siren, he battered through. Go, trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt. Nowhere to into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has Stanley back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. Well, I'd Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one then as they now run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if Quattararo's down! He's at Dovizioso! I think it is! It's fire from the Ducati, the high side. Down he went, all the back to Ducati. See a red flag here if they can't get Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Quattararo, he's wincing a bit. Yeah, well, that was a big launch over the hand. Might see a red flag here if they can't get Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has Stanley back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Clattered into Quattararo's Yamaha. Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki at the sharp end of this one. Quattararo's down! He's at Dovizioso! I think it is! It's fire from the Ducati, the high side. Down he went, all the back to Ducati. Quite a few times there. I just wonder if Quattararo's down! He's at Dovizioso! I think it is! It's fire from the Ducati, the high side. Down he went, all the back to Ducati. See a red flag here if they can't get Fabio Quattararo. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marc Marquez now has Stanley back straight into Brooklands from Rossi and rings with Vinales.